Look at that steam. We're putting plenty of my favorite sauce on this dove meat. It's crucial for the flavor out here. Back inside the cave with fresh breakfast. Using the last of my water here to clean this dove. It's crucial to make sure it's properly prepared before we cook it. Okay, the stick is sharp. Now for the tricky part, getting it through the dove without losing too much meat. We need every calorie we can get out here. There we go. A simple cooking stand. There we go. What? You got to protect it from the wind. And there you have it, the perfect Arctic dove. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. All right, everyone, check this out. You know I can't go anywhere without my favorite sauce. It's the secret ingredient for surviving the cold. All right, everyone, time for the best part. A generous helping of the good stuff on this fresh dove.
Absolutely delicious. 2 thumbs up for the sauce dove.
If you enjoyed this dove cooking adventure, please like, comment, and subscribe for more survival videos. See you in the next MR adventure.